Bringing old wood back to life is not just a process of sanding, cutting, and polishing. It is the art of rewriting a story that has been hidden within the grains for years, waiting to be rediscovered and given a new chapter of existence. Every scar, crack, and weathered mark on a piece of old wood tells a tale of time, of seasons that passed, and of its role in shaping lives before it was forgotten. When craftsmen and creators take this so-called discarded material into their hands, they are not simply building furniture or decor, they are breathing new life into history, reviving authenticity in a world that often forgets the value of imperfection. This rebirth journey resonates deeply with today's buyers, who are no longer satisfied with mass-produced, factory-perfect furniture that carries no soul or individuality. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will reveal how to bring forgotten wood back to life and transform it into unique, eco-conscious decor that today's buyers can't resist. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Instead, they crave pieces that embody values, reflect eco-conscious lifestyles, and hold the power to turn an ordinary living space into a conversation-filled sanctuary. Old wood reborn into new treasures is not just functional, it is an expression of sustainability, artistry, and emotional connection, one that elevates the concept of decor into a celebration of life cycles and meaningful choices. In modern markets where individuality is highly prized, the beauty of revitalized wood speaks louder than any advertising campaign could. Buyers feel a pull toward decor that tells a story because it makes their homes feel more alive, more personal, and more grounded. A coffee table made from reclaimed beams carries not only its fresh design, but also the whispers of the structure it once supported, reminding its new owner that beauty does not always come from newness, but from resilience and transformation. An old bedside table, once scratched and worn, when reimagined into a sleek modern piece, bridges the gap between heritage and innovation, turning something overlooked into a centerpiece that sparks curiosity. This is why bringing old wood back to life is more than an act of crafting. It is storytelling through design, an invitation for people to surround themselves with pieces that hold meaning rather than empty perfection. Buyers know instinctively that when they choose reclaimed decor, they are choosing more than a look. They are choosing values, sustainability, and authenticity, all of which reflect the lifestyles many people aspire to in today's eco-conscious world. The rebirth of old wood is also a reminder that sustainability can be luxurious and style-forward rather than limiting. There was a time when recycled or repurposed furniture was seen as a compromise, an option for those who could not afford brand-new items. Today, that perception has changed dramatically because the modern buyer is searching for decor that not only fits their style, but also aligns with their ethics. A reclaimed wooden chair or a wall accent made from old floorboards is no longer just second-hand, it is eco-luxury, blending design with responsibility. This shift in mindset has opened up incredible opportunities for creators, entrepreneurs, and woodworkers who see beyond the surface of discarded materials. They understand that every weathered plank carries the potential for reinvention, and every seemingly broken piece of wood is an invitation to create something extraordinary. This is why the market for reclaimed wood crafts continues to expand, not just because they are beautiful, but because they carry a message of rebirth that speaks directly to the values of modern buyers. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. What makes this journey even more powerful is that it requires imagination more than perfection. A beginner woodworker, a hobbyist, or even someone who has never considered themselves crafty can look at an old piece of wood and find inspiration. Perhaps it becomes a rustic floating shelf, a lamp base with raw organic texture, or a garden bench that adds charm to outdoor spaces. These creations are not bound by the need for flawless cuts or polished finishes. Instead, their uniqueness lies in their irregularities, their character, and their authenticity. Buyers love this authenticity because it mirrors life itself, imperfect, resilient, and beautiful in its originality. By embracing this perspective, creators not only give wood a second life, but also gift themselves the opportunity to connect their imagination with income. In every piece sold, they are offering a part of this rebirth story, and in every home that welcomes such a creation, the story continues to live on. From an entrepreneurial perspective, the rebirth of old wood is a golden opportunity. Consumers today are willing to pay a premium for pieces that feel authentic and purposeful, and reclaimed wood furniture or decor fits perfectly into this rising demand. The business potential lies not just in the product, but in the story behind it. When buyers know that their dining table was once part of an old barn or their bookshelf came from repurposed flooring, the value of the item multiplies in their eyes, because it is more than wood, it is history reborn. This emotional connection transforms customers into loyal advocates, eager to share the story with their friends and family, and in turn fueling word-of-mouth marketing that no advertisement could achieve. For entrepreneurs, this means that every piece of reborn wood is not just a sale, but a relationship, a chance to inspire people through both beauty and sustainability. Beyond profit, there is a deeper fulfillment in this process of giving wood new life. Crafting from reclaimed materials connects us back to the cycles of nature, reminding us that nothing truly ends, it simply transforms. That piece of timber once played its role in a structure, then fell into neglect, and now stands reborn as decor that inspires and delights. This cycle resonates deeply with buyers because it mirrors the human desire for renewal, for finding beauty even in the overlooked and forgotten. It is no wonder that homes filled with such decor feel warmer, more welcoming, and more personal. These pieces encourage conversations, spark memories, and bring out emotions in ways that store-bought furniture never could. For the homeowner, they are not just buying decor, they are investing in meaning, in values, and in a way of life that prioritizes sustainability without sacrificing style. Ultimately, bringing old wood back to life is more than a craft or a business strategy. It is a philosophy, a way of seeing the world differently. It teaches us that beauty lies in transformation, that what others see as waste can become a treasure, and that creativity has the power to turn the simplest materials into symbols of resilience and artistry. For creators, it is an opportunity to merge imagination with sustainability, passion with profit, and craftsmanship with storytelling. For buyers, it is an invitation to bring authenticity into their homes, to celebrate imperfection, and to live surrounded by pieces that embody values they believe in. And for the world at large, it is a small but powerful act of environmental responsibility, reducing waste while enriching lives with meaningful design. In every reborn piece of wood, there is proof that the past and present can coexist beautifully, that nature's gifts need not be wasted, and that even in a fast-paced, mass-produced world, there is room for authenticity, artistry, and renewal. Buyers crave this, not because it is trendy, but because it fulfills a deeper need, to feel connected, to live consciously, and to surround themselves with beauty that has a story to tell. That is the true power of bringing old wood back to life, a rebirth story that transforms not only materials, but also homes, markets, and the way we see value in the world around us. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked, profitable, eco-friendly decor ideas that sell. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.